everyone, Daisy here again with another layout. This one is for off the board for this month, and you would have seen the layout that I'm scrap lifting at the beginning, and then I'm going to try to pop it up in the corner up here too if I remember. I really loved this layout by Julie for Hey Little Magpie because of using the two pattern papers, and then she used a bunch of like ice cream and things like that for her layout, but I wanted to use up a bunch of die cuts that I have. I'm not using up old die cuts. These are actually relatively new. Most of them are from Amy Tangerine's it's a Picnic in the Park, I believe. But I do pull in a few fussy cut pieces as well, and then a few other things. So really, I'm just concentrating on that vertical line there, just building up kind of my different layers and things here. And I have these 3 photos of me. They are Snapchat filters from when I was at work one night, and it was just one of those nights where it was never gonna end. So I was doing Snapchat because why not? And I have rainbow hair, and I really love this. I wish that would, you know, work in real life, but never would work in my hair. So anyhow, I am just kind of going rainbow crazy. I am adding all sorts of things. I have a couple of tickets that I pulled out of the Dear Lizzie She's Magic die cuts. And then, like I said, most of it is from Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park. Those hearts I fussy cut out of a Pretty Little Studio paper. And then my background papers, the rainbow stripe that is on the right side, that is from Pink Fresh Studio, from the Little Lovely collection. What's it called? It's a Little Lovely or something like that. Oh, I have it right here. Let's see. No, My Favorite Story. Sorry, I'm completely wrong. My Favorite Story. And then the little triangles on the other side is, again, from Pretty Little Studio. So I am just kind of building up the layers. I did do some stitching on the rainbow side of things. It's hard to see, but it is there. I just used white thread and my sewing machine to do that, and just stitched a line, just a straight stitch in between each color. And then, you know, again, just adding random die cuts. None of them have anything to do with the photos. The photos don't really have a story at all. It was just bored at work. So, yeah. So it's just a matter of building things up here. This came together really quickly. I did kind of practice it or audition my pieces before the video because I was really struggling picking my papers. I thought I was going to go in a completely different direction with the papers, and then it was just too much, just too busy. So then I found this Pink Fresh Studio paper, and it was perfect. It matched the colors in the photos just 100%. So it seemed like a no-brainer to go with that. And then I had to find something that went fairly well with that on the other side. Now you see me pulling out some puffy stickers from Paige Evans. I think this is Whimsical. I have a lot of these. I find them, I don't know, they're fine. They're cute. And I am hoarding like some of the photo or the flowers, but I don't like to use them because they don't stick. So I have found that they are peeling off of some of the old layouts that I used them on, which is disappointing. But yeah, so I'm trying to get them used up. And then I'm adding some of these Ellie Studio hearts. These are my favorite. I have to get more Like there's never going to be enough of these. I'm going to run out. It's going to be so sad. But yeah, so I need to get some more of these. But these are also puffy, but these are done in a different way where the adhesive seems to actually last on them. I do still put glue behind all of these puffy stickers because you never know. And then I pull out some wood buttons from the Never Grow Up collection from Chamel. Two of them have rainbow stripes on them, and then I feel like I have to pull in a third, so I think I pull in one that has a ladybug on it. Again, nothing to do with anything. I also had pulled in some chipboard pieces, or not chipboard, they're like foam with cardstock on them, circles from the Never Grow Up collection, and stuck those around. And now I'm trying to work on my title, so it's going to be boring. It's Rainbow Hair Don't Care. And I cut that word rainbow out of a piece of paper from Pretty Little Studio. And then I'm using these little thickers, the rainbow ones, and then on the, I think it's the other side of these ones, it's a like a very pale peach or like flesh tone kind of. So I'm using that peach color as the don't, and then rainbow thickers for the hair and care. And then I'm going to come in with some sequins from Sweet Mom Scraps, of course. So if you haven't already, hop along to everybody. I will have links down below for everybody who's participating this month. There's always amazing, amazing inspiration, and you definitely want to hop around. If you could leave like a thumbs up or a comment on everybody's, that would be great. We always appreciate that so much. And yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching, and thank Crystal for putting this all together. It's definitely one of my favorite hops or collaborations every month. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. I will see you again next time. Bye!